I'm George Ratiu, Manager of Economic Research with Realtor.com. We are past the midpoint of December as we close the book on another year filled with challenges, setbacks, and losses, and on the upside, renewed relationships and connections. As you embrace the winter holidays and time with family and friends, here is the last update of 2021. The economy continues to expand even with remaining supply challenges. Industrial production rose in November, reaching the highest level since September 2019. The manufacturing and mining outputs advanced with a solid gain in construction supplies. Small business optimism also picked up in November, but a shortage of supply and labor led the majority of companies to hike prices, the largest share in over 4 decades. Strong inflation will continue next year as wholesale prices also moved higher in November at the fastest pace in many years as companies pass higher costs to their customers. Retail sales notched a slight gain last month, yet came in below expectations as sticker shock for everyday items greeted consumers at cash registers. Initial jobless claims rose last week, however they remain near the lowest level in 5 decades as the number of job openings outweighs unemployed people looking for work. Businesses facing a tight market are going out of their way to keep workers on payrolls, including offering higher wages. With inflation accelerating, this week's Federal Reserve meeting concluded with an announcement that the central bank will speed up its asset tapering and will increase the interest rate several times in 2022 to cool rising prices. In the wake of the Fed announcement, mortgage rates bounced up this week as bond markets began to price in mortgage-backed securities pullbacks from the central bank. Real estate markets saw another week of declining inventory as homeowners are postponing home sales until after the holidays, driving prices higher. Meanwhile, Realtor.com's rental report spotlights serious affordability challenges as rents are up by double digits for the 5th month in a row. A minimum wage earner has to work an extra 12 hours per week to rent a 1-bedroom apartment compared to the pre-pandemic period. Housing markets are in critical need of new construction. The good news is that home builders show unseasonably high optimism about market conditions with a positive outlook for the next 6 months. Construction companies' upbeat view translated into higher activity in November with permits, starts, and completions higher on a monthly and yearly basis. The main challenge for builders is in navigating rising lumber prices and the continuing labor shortage. Rounding out the update, we just published our latest first-time homebuyer report, highlighting that millennials are defining today's markets in their pursuit of home ownership, seeking suburban homes in affordable communities with good quality of life. I wish you safe, restful, and happy holidays. And may 2022 be a brighter, better, and more inclusive year for all of us.